Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite Beauty Creations lashes. I recently saw I Love Sarai wear them and I wanted to get them because they look so nice on her and they were really affordable. So I went on their website and I found some that I liked, so I wanted to share them with you guys. I've actually been holding off on wearing these lashes because I wanted to share them with you guys first. So I ended up picking out these three styles from their website. I got the style Guarded, and then I got Daydream, which is the one that I Love Sarai was talking about. And then I also got the style T. A while back, I did do a video similar to this showing you guys my favorite AliExpress lashes, and you guys seem to really like that video. So if you guys do like these kinds of videos, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and I'll go ahead and do more on my favorite affordable lashes. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I already have mascara on my lashes, which is something that I always do before applying false lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure these onto my lashes, and they're a little long for my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ends off just a little bit. That way they fit my eye shape a little better. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit off of the ends. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, so I went ahead and measured both of the lashes and cut them to my size, and then I put some glue on these already. So let's go ahead and put these on. So I really like how these are dramatic but not too dramatic, and I also like that they're kind of wispy in a way, and they're also really long as well. I would probably wear these with a little more dramatic eye makeup, but I do really like these. I think on its own, just very simple with very minimal eyeshadow, I think they look really nice as well. But these are really cute and they're pretty easy to apply as well. So when I look down, they look a little weird just because I have hooded eyelids, so I always like to glue my extra skin that I have on my eye. I know it sounds really weird, but I always like to glue it down to the lash band. I didn't do a good job at it right now because I'm just showing you guys really quickly, but that's why it looks a little weird when I look down. But overall, really easy to apply. I really like them, but let's go ahead and try on the next lashes. Okay, wow, I think these might be my favorite so far. They look so nice. I love how they flare out and they give me more of like that cat eye shape. I also really like how they're kind of spiky too, but not too much. But again, they do still give me that cat eye shape. Let me give you guys a close-up of what these look like. So far, I really like these, but let's try on Daydream because those are actually the ones that I was really excited to try. Okay, these are my favorite. I love them. They look so good. Let me show you guys a close-up of these. So Daydream and Guarded are pretty similar in style, but these have a little more space in between the clusters. So yeah, I really like these. I think these will look really nice with the wing liner. I love how they flare out and they're just spiky but not like too crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my overall thoughts on the lashes. So overall, I think the lashes are amazing. I think for the price, they're less than $10 each. You can't really go wrong. The quality is amazing for the price point. I also do want to mention the lash band. I know a lot of times whenever you purchase Faux Mink lashes, the lash band can be pretty thick. These are not thick. I would say they're pretty normal. I didn't have an issue with applying them at all. They were pretty easy, and the lash band was really easy to kind of maneuver so you can kind of shape them to your eyes. And I was also really impressed with the styles. I think the styles were beautiful, and I also think that the quality was amazing. I think I already said that, but the quality honestly is amazing for the price. I think you can't beat it. I think they do have different collections on their website, but I ended up getting the hot pink style and I'm really happy with them so far. So I would highly recommend them if you're looking for some affordable lashes. lashes to try, I would recommend Beauty Creations lashes. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little try on slash review of the Beauty Creations lashes. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know which lash style was your favorite. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.